How to fix sound removed on TikTok. Posted a video and the sound is gone. Let's get that audio back. First, open the video and check if you used copyrighted music or uploaded your own audio. TikTok automatically mutes audio that violates copyright rules. To fix this, try re-uploading the video using a sound from TikTok's licensed sound library instead of importing your own. If it's original sound and got removed by mistake, tap the three dots on the video and choose Report a Problem and select Sound. Then tap on Other and tap on My sound was muted unfairly. Explain briefly and submit. Also, double check your TikTok app permissions. Go to your phone settings and ensure TikTok has access to your microphone and storage. Use trending in-app sounds to avoid takedowns. They are fully licensed by TikTok. Has your sound been restored? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.